We are going. Actually, just a second. I'm not going. Okay, so we are going. As we have, let's go out 5 tornado warnings, 4 of them in Illinois. So let's go. Okay, so those of you in Bunker Hill, Wilsonville, Mount Clair, Gillespie, Mount Olive, Stratton, you have to be in your safe spots. This is a tornado warning for southeastern Maricopa counties in southwestern Illinois and for north central Madison County. So that warning is so it will be near Gillespie, Blend, Mount Clair, East Gillespie, and Eggerville around 7:35. This doesn't include Interstate 57 in Illinois, exits 37 and 44. So let's go. Here's the radar. This will be on my Twitter feed. If you guys want to actually follow along. So anyway, okay, so we have that. I don't think any of these have touched down, which is a good thing. So this is the video right here. And it'll be live on my Twitter feed if you want to see the radar. Okay, so we have that one. Now let's go. We have 4 in Illinois, so let's go to Illinois, and then we'll get to Louisiana. Okay, so another one in Oakville, Plum Hill, Nashville, Brescia, Trenton, New Baden, Oakdale, Richview, Ashley, Du Bois, and Carlisle. And it looks like, let's go to Storm High Spectrum. Okay, so the strongest part of the storm right now is over Nashville. So if you are in or heading towards Kempside, Cordy's, so we are doing that. Excuse me while I look down my phone because I have the Radar Omega app on my phone. So we are, okay. So we see that around Nashville. So Nashville being your safe spots. And then we'll get to another one just inside of Illinois again. Okay, so this one is heading for Old Ripley, Hamel, Maine, Highland, Greenville, Sorrento, Coffin, and Fillmore. So you are under a tornado warning. Okay, so this was an EAS activated. So this one is until 8 o'clock. So this one is an EAS activated tornado warning, which means that the emergency alert services were activated for Madison County. So we have that one. Now let's go to Louisiana. Okay, we have another one in Perryville. So let's go to that. So you have another one just in Perryville. And pea-size hail. So it looks like we might have a tornado on the ground near Hecker. So let's go. Now the one for Louisiana, Castor and Lucky. So it looks that one expires in 22 minutes. That's until 8 o'clock. So we have, so far we have 4 tornado warnings in Illinois. Actually, no, wait a second. We have 3 in Illinois and 1 in Missouri right now. And from looking at this, there could be rotation in the storm near Hecker. So it's possible that we could have rotation in the storm in Hecker. Now let's go to some severe thunderstorm warnings. near Schulenburg and Winmar, Texas. That's until okay, so winds 50 miles per hour. Okay. That's until 8 o'clock. So that's a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, so just a second here. So I can. All right. So we are. Okay, so this one. So, okay, severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Colorado County. Okay, so we have the second. Sorry about this. I'm just saying that we are live. Okay, so that is for Texas. Now let's go to Illinois again. Illinois is just okay. So Lafayette, Victoria, Toro, Yates City, Mequon, Brimfield, Farmington, Fairview. Looks like Canton is in this. That's another warning. And then it just went out of Evansville, heading for London Mills. That one is allowed to expire at 7:45. So, okay, so we have that one. Now let's go to Okay, so this is another severe thunderstorm warning for Illinois. For Mason City, looks like the strongest part of the storm is heading towards Mason City, and then it's past Greenview. I don't think you are going to get anything, just heavy rain. So we have Hubley, Middletown, New Luther might be in the path of this, and Mason City. So, and then we have another severe thunderstorm warning for Jasper, and that's heading. Yeah, it's for Jasper. That one is until 8 o'clock. So we have that one that might get extended. Let's see. I'm trying to cover the Midwest. So Texas is included in that. We also have another severe thunderstorm warning. Looks like for most dangerous part of the storm is over Farm to Marker Road 787, heading for Mason Lake Estates, and then heading towards Clark. So that might be where the tornado is heading. Again, if you are in any of these warnings, please seek shelter. Okay, so red alert has been activated. We have an observed tornado extending. Okay, emergency management confirmed tornado just north of Nashville. So if you are in the Nashville area of Illinois, you have to be in your safe spot. This tornado has been observed by weather spotters. It's also been observed. Okay. So it's in effect for Clinton and eastern Washington counties. And then we also have a flash flood warning for Marys, Franklin, St. Louis, and Jefferson. So you are under flash flood warning. So let's go. Let's zoom in here and try to figure out if we can get the high res. Okay, yeah. There's definitely a tornado on the ground right now in Nashville. So let's go to that. Storm relative velocity. Yeah. If you're in the Nashville area of Illinois, you have to be in your safe spot. This is an observed tornado on the ground heading from Kempside to Cordes. Could head towards Hughley, possibly New Midden if it keeps going, if it keeps staying on the ground. So that has been observed. The other ones have not touched down. Those are just radar indicated. So we will keep focusing on the tornado warning for this particular area. So we have, here you will see the relative radar. This is just a 3-second clip. Now, I don't know. I will be right back. Okay, so we have that one in Clinton. That has been observed. Okay, so we'll keep focusing on that radar and see if we can see anything. So yeah, it looks like Bear Coop you're in the path of this Hughley Numidian, and it's just observed right around here in Nashville. So let me... So I did circle where this tornado is on the ground. So we have... Okay, so we do have an observed tornado heading towards Hecker and Redbud. So that is possibly on the ground right now as we speak. So those of you in Hecker, Redbud, you have to be in your safe spots. So yeah, they are saying that this is on the ground in southwestern Illinois and St. Louis, near St. Louis, capable of producing a tornado towards Hecker. So this is probably might be on the ground still, but it might not be. So we have, okay, so Burlington, Peoria, Springfield, Quincy. Yeah, so we do have a few tornado warnings that have been spotted. We do have one observed on the ground right now. That's the one I just circled. So let's go. So yeah, here's the tornado area of concern. So yeah, we do have that. So we are... So let me... I'm updating my Twitter feed on my Chromebook. So yes, we do have a tornado on the ground. Okay, so that tornado warning near Nashville has been... That one has lifted, and then there's another one. Okay, so we do have also pea-sized hail in St. Louis. There was a tornado that was heading for St. Louis, which actually sparked this this broadcast. So we do have... Okay. So let's go. We don't want to forget about our severe thunderstorm warnings. So we'll go to those. And it looks like the most dangerous part of the storm is right now over Mason City, heading for San Jose. Sorry, not San Jose. San Jose. And then that one is until... Okay, so that one expires in 6 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so we have. Okay, so yeah, this keeps updating on me. So one of the tornado warnings has expired, which is good. Well, obviously not, but still. So we have a tornado warning for this area. Then I think most of it is just going to be severe thunderstorms. And it looks like most of it's 1 inch, the about quarter size. Okay, so tornado possible. So this is a particularly dangerous severe thunderstorm warning. So you have to be in your safe spots. So that one is observed with a tornado possible in Montgomery heading towards Greenville, Old Ripley, New Douglas, Sorrento, Alabama. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Pocahontas. Okay, so we do have. Okay. So severe thunderstorm warning could hit Pocahontas, Illinois. Okay, so we have. Okay, so let's go to Louisiana. We have 2.75 inches of hail. So, yeah, towards. Okay, so this doesn't look like anything, but there is a tornado possible. This is a destructive for central and eastern Brenville Parish, baseball size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So, yeah, if you're in that area, you have to be in your safe spots. So we have that one that possibly has a tornado possible. The other ones are about 1 inch to 7.5. But the main concern is the 60-mile-per-hour wind gust that goes all the way from Texas to Illinois. So if you are in those areas, and then we have this one, which looks like it was just okay. So tornado warnings are being allowed to expire, and it looks like we have mostly. So let's go to this area. So okay, so the part of the storm looks like it's in Pleasanton. So if you're in that area, you have to be near safe spots. Okay, so and then we have the flash flood warnings for city of St. Louis. And then I don't know if I'm going to continue this broadcast because it looks like most of the threat is over. Yeah, so the main areas of a concern are mostly, and it looks like, yeah, so tornado warnings are expiring. So we have severe thunderstorm warning with tornado possible. Now we got another severe thunderstorm warning for Union County. That includes Athens, Lisbon, Bernice, Dabac, Homer. So yeah, this broadcast I think is going to end in a couple of minutes. Yeah, so we're gonna end this in a couple minutes. Most of this is just severe thunderstorms, which I will keep you updated on my Twitter feed. I don't see the main reason of continuing this broadcast because it's mostly just 60-mile-per-hour winds and hail. We do have flash flood warnings, but yeah. So we are gonna stop our broadcast. So yeah, So anyway, good night. And thank you for watching the Lightning Weather app. I'm Jeremy Lightning, signing off. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't. I forgot to hit record. Oh, God. Oh, stupid me. Okay.